sigh as trees grow bare, the hours cold. Orange suns in early dusk, fields lie calm in fading light, and winter waits in shadows deep with frosted stars to pierce the night. The silence speaks of life withdrawn, roots below in dream-filled rest, while snow enfolds the waiting earth, a lacy cloak across its chest. Then whispers stir in buried seeds beneath the ice, a gentle hum. A green pulse grows, the thaw begins, and spring leans in to say, I've come. Bright buds bloom, the songbirds sing, the world awakes to warmth and green. The wheel turns on as seasons dance in